So hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new tutorial. In this video, we're going to be learning how to calculate the cube roots of 4 to 6 digit numbers within 3 seconds. So here is a question on screen which says to find out the cube root of 9261. You get 5 seconds and your time starts now. Okay, so your time's pretty much up. So if you arrived at the answer of 21, then that's pretty cool. But if you didn't, here's how you want to do it. Or here's how it's done in 2 seconds. So before learning a shortcut method for finding cube roots, you want to know some basic stuff about cubes. And that is this table. You want to memorize the cubes of numbers from 1 to 9. Like 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8, 3 cube is 27, 4 cube is 64, 5 cube is 125, 6 cube is 216, 7 cube is 343, 8 cube is 512, and 9 cube is 729. Okay, so you want to memorize these values. So there's no particular pattern between these numbers except for 2 cube, 3 cube, 7 cube, and 8 cube. Okay, so we're gonna find out what is a pattern between them. Okay, so a number starting with 1, its cube ends with 1. Okay, a number starting with 1, its cube ends with 1. A number starting with 4, its cube ends in 4. For 5, a number starting with 5, its cube ends in 5. It's similarly for numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, and 9. But for 2, 3, 7, and 8, things change a little bit. Any number starting with 2, its cube ends in 8. Okay, so 2 cube is 8. Similarly, any cube starting with 8, its cube ends in 2. Okay, so it's vice versa. So similarly, any number starting with 3, its cube ends in 7. Okay, number starting with 3, cube ends in 7. Similarly, any number starting in 7, its cube ends in 3. Okay, so this is the pattern that we want to know about. Alright, so now we can go on to this problem which says asks us to find out the cube root of 9261. So the first thing you want to see is you want to take the last 3 digits of the number. So in this case it's 261. So since it is ending with 1, with the pattern that we just learned, any number starting with 1, its cube ends in 1. So the final answer of ours, the last part of the answer is 1. Then you want to strike this part away. So we're left with 9. So you want to see the least cube which is below 9. Okay, so over here below 9 the cubes are 1 and 8. So 8 is the least one. So the root of 8 is 2. So 2 cube is 8. So you get your 2 over here. So the cube root of 9261 is 21. So that's how it's done. Okay, so now we're gonna go and we're gonna see a different sum. Okay, I'm just gonna erase this off. Just a second, I'm sorry. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so now let's calculate the cube root of 1, 5, 7, 4, 6, 4. Alright, so we do it the same way. So we take the last 3 parts of our answer. So 4, 6, 4. So since our question is ending in 4, we know any number ending in 4, it has a cube, its cube ends in 4. Okay, so final part of our answer is 4. Then we just strike those part away. So we're left with 157. So the least cube below 157 is 5 cube. That is 125. So you just want to put your 5 over here. So the cube root of 157464 is 54. Okay. So next question, here it is. So next is the square root of 658,503. Okay. So now things change a little bit. Okay, remember this 3. So the last 3 digits is 503. So it ends in 3. So according to our pattern, any number starting with 3, its cube root ends in 7. So the last part of our answer is 7. So then you want to strike off the last part. So we're left with 658. So the least cube below 658 is 8 cube, which is 512. So 8. So 87 is the cube root of 658,503. Okay. So we're gonna see one last case and that's it. Okay. So now let's see. Let's calculate the cube root of 970,299. Alright. So same way, last 3 digits. So our question is identical 9. So if our number ends in 9, its cube ends in 9 too. So 9. Strike off this part. So we're left with 970. So the least cube below 970 is 9 cube. That is 729. So 9. So 99 is the cube root of 970,299. So thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and a thumbs up. Bye bye.